Some of my students are having trouble with the TH sound in English. This is probably because it's not a sound, but two sounds. Let's learn how to make both of those sounds.
Robert teaches English.
The letters TH in English can come together to make two different sounds. Either the th sound in think or thank you, or the th sound in this or those. So how are these sounds different? Well, first let's talk about what they have in common. Even though these sounds can be difficult for a lot of students to master, practicing them is actually quite easy. This is the only sound in the English language in which you will place your tongue between your teeth. It will look something like this.
So you can see my tongue is between my teeth. So my top tooth is touching my tongue, and my bottom tooth is touching my tongue.
And I probably shouldn't try to talk while I do that, but that's what you need to do with your mouth. Now, what's the difference between the two sounds? Let's start with the th sound in think. For this sound, you are going to put your tongue between your teeth, like I showed you, and you are going to essentially let out air or blow through that shape. If you put your hand around your throat, you should not feel a vibration. And if you take some toilet paper and stick it in front of your face, the toilet paper should blow forward because you are pushing it with your air, like a ship sailing through the high seas. Now let's talk about the th sound in that, in those. So again, you're going to place your tongue between your teeth, but this time you are not going to blow air. You are going to use your voice box to vibrate and create sound that way. So it will sound like imagine that you are a lawnmower or a vibrating toothbrush or something else that vibrates. Put your hand on your throat and you can feel the vibration. Put toilet paper in front of your mouth. It will not move forward. So just to review, is a voiceless sound. You don't use your voice box. And is a voiced sound. You will use your voice box here. And you will feel a vibration in your throat. Now let's practice together. I want you to practice with me 3 times. So get your tongue between your teeth. And at the count of 3, 3, 2, 1. Now let's practice together. Get your tongue between your teeth. 3, 2, 1. Let's practice with some words. Let's say think. 3, 2, 1. Think, think, think. And now let's say this. 3, 2, 1. This, this, this. Good. Now let's practice with a sentence. Let me come up with one real quick. That thick thing over there thinks that those 3 thorns might thread through the cloth. There we go. If that was too fast for you and you're watching on YouTube, you can always use the gear down here to slow down my video even more. This is a great way to practice pronunciation by gradually getting faster and trying to sound like a native speaker. I will leave a link to a video I made about that in the description below and also up here. If you want to practice more, I will also leave a link to my website where I will have some more sentences and tongue twisters that you can practice with. Are there any other sounds that you have trouble with in English? Write them in the comments below and I might end up making a video for you. As always, thank you for learning with me. I hope you know you're doing a great job, and I hope you know that I do believe in you. I will see you soon.